Hello guys, this is Pawan from mingw. So today in this video tutorial I will show you how we can basically install MSYS2 and we will how will we integrate with VS Code in it. In the last video we saw how we can configure mingw and run the GCC command on it. So in mingw basically we have GCC compiler included in it, but in MSYS2 if you will download and install, how you will through bash, how will you get GCC compiler and all, you will see that thing. So first for MSYS2, if you want to install, you just go to Google and type MSYS2 download for Windows 10. Okay, so we'll get the first link here, and here we'll just get the download the installer part. So here it is just downloading. First we need to just check the location. We will just install it documents, and we'll just click on save. So it's just downloading is started, and it will take around some few minutes. So let it happen. So I'll just fast forward this video for you. So okay, we just got this MSYS2 here, so we'll just double click on it and we'll just install it. Here's the welcome screen, so we'll click on next, and it will be installed in C MSYS64. So we'll click on next, and again next, and it is just installing the bash. You can click on show details. So it's installing. So again I'll just fast forward this thing. So it is installation is finished. We can click on next now and finish. So here the MSYS screen will get. So we'll minimize it now, and what will we do? We will just open our first we will check where our installation location is located. So we'll just click on C drive, and we'll see this. Here's the folder MSYS64. Here we can see mingw64 and mingw32. If I'll click on mingw64 and bin, so here bin folder is empty. It means there is no GDB GCC configuration happened. So what will we do? We will just click on first we will just see open Visual Studio Code, and in Visual Studio Code let me just Visual Studio is open, and here what will we do? We will just open we will just click on this open folder. Before that, what will we do? We will just click on extension, and in extension we will see C++. This also you need to install. This is the extension IntelliSense, and in here if you just scroll down, then you will see how we can get GCC and mingw W64 on Windows. So if you click on this, we will just get to this thing in browser. So here you can follow these instructions using GCC with mingw. So here in this tutorial prerequisites, you have Visual Studio Code installed. Now extension is also installed. Now what you need to do, latest version of MSYS2, and what we will do, we will just give this pacman command on the terminal, which we just minimized. So here this in this we will just paste that command, and we'll hit the enter. and here you will see these are the things. So here it is asking for the selection, so we will just click on the default selection. So for that we need to just hit the enter, and here it will ask proceed with the installation. We will say yes. So we will type Y, and again we'll hit the enter, and now it is starting installation, as you can see. So it will take a bit time depending upon the computer speed and network speed. So let's see, and we will just wait to finish this installation. So I'll just fast forward this thing also, and we will just see after that how we will we'll do the installation process for the to run any C code on or C++ code in VS Code. So these are the errors we are getting, but again it is also trying to resolve that. So 58 it is attempted, and now again it is installing 58. So okay, I'll just pause the video and let it happen. So till 49 packages are installed, and till 58 it will go. Okay, so it's completed. As you can see, running post transaction hooks, and after that now what will we do? We will just look on that folder. So here if you'll just see here in the bin folder, now here you can see in this bin folder all the GCC and this executables are there now, and in same as this 32 also we will see. Okay, not for 32 because we have installed for a 64-bit. So okay, so what will we do? We will just go to this, and here we will just double click on this. First we will check the command prompt how things are working in GCC. So if I'll just type GCC version, so here I'll get this thing like GCC this foundation. There is no means like I'm already getting this thing in here. So okay, so even without setting the environment variables, we are getting the GCC version of MSYS2. As in the site also they have mentioned like the MSYS environment contains the Linux like Cygen based tools, and here this MSYS2 basically environment, the path variable starts with this UCRT64 bin, then user bin. So you will get all base tools as well as all MSYS tools. So the thing is still we can set the environment variables. So how will we edit that environment variable? So we'll just copy this, and we'll just click on this edit, and here we will go to environment variables, click on path, edit, and new. Okay, and again okay. Now this is the thing, and so now we can go to VS Code, and here if I'll select GCC version, so here I am also getting this at VS Code. We can compile this using GCC. And now we will just execute this. So hello world is printed. So this way we can install this MSYS2, and in VS Code how to execute any code. For VS Code installation and all, you can just watch my previous video. That's very easy how to do it, and there I have just integrated directly that mingw compiler in VS Code. So thanks for watching this video.